everyone and welcome back to Melbourne Railway videos. Today I'm here at Tooronga station on the Glen Waverley line. That is not the best shot. You probably would have seen this after my last video. I don't know what order I'm going to upload them in, but probably my last video, which I filmed just up the track here at the site of the level crossing removal at Tooronga Road. You can see that these tracks look fairly new. They've obviously been re-sleeped. And yeah, up that way, side of the level crossing removal. Tooronga station is located on a curve. I don't think they're actually legally allowed to build stations on a curve anymore for some reason or another. Maybe it's to do with the gap between the train and the platform. So if they ever remove that level crossing up the track, there currently aren't any plans to do so, but if they ever do decide to do that, they're going to have to realign the track, which shouldn't be too much of an issue because there are car parks there on that side. This is an unstaffed station, I think, maybe staffed. Actually no, definitely isn't, but there are some toilets there. That's what made me doubt it. So yeah, I probably won't get many trains in this video. I might get one, hopefully two. It just depends on when they come. They might arrive at the same time, so sorry about that, but it's better than nothing, I guess. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Just to look from the end of the station, at the station, there's actually this pedestrian crossing here. Playground up there. It's probably why it's here, so people can access the playground. Like many stations in the east, it's pretty dead. Nice and quiet though, in residential areas. People around here have a lot of money, so they probably don't take the train heaps, but it's good to have train services. I guess that's the station. And up the track, you might be able to just make out where the trains start going upwards over Tooronga Road. And yeah. Okay, the crossing bells have started to go, so I'm just gonna hope that the train's coming from this direction, because I don't think the level crossing bells have gone yet, or the boom gates have gone down. So yeah, hopefully it'll be this train first. Although the level crossing bells are going right now too, so we'll see. The announcement for the train on platform 1 is running right now. Alright, we've got the Extropolis. This is a Glen Waverley service. (76M) sleeting, 1338T, 75M, 113M, 1357T. And the rear car is 114M, and we'll have the other train coming in a minute. This is my train, so I'm sorry for leaving this video. Had a bit of a short length. Flinders Street service. Yeah, so if you did enjoy, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. 228M if you like my videos in general. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.